Hi guys, Danica here. Just want to show the alternative for the mem has any tag shortcode with Memberium to what is the option if you decide to use WP Fusion. In continuation to this website, which we are converting from Memberium with infusions of Keep to WP Fusion with Go High Level because the client has switched to high level for their CRM. We had some setups in here where if they have access to a section, we show an access now button. But then if they don't, it's gonna be test luck or learn more. So before in their setup, I was using this format as the shortcode. So I was using the dynamic field and I'm calling that drip tag ID that I created as a meta field for that post so that I can manually type in the required infusions of keep tag. So my shortcode before was like this. Mem has any tag, then that's the shortcode. So if I'm gonna search for this, it's this one that I am using for Memberium. Now, because we are now using WP Fusion, I needed to change that to a WP Fusion version, and instead of using the dynamic field, I'm just using the shortcode by Elementor widget here. And this is my new shortcode. Now, Memberium, from what I remember, also has a has access shortcode. This one is more on has membership. I think they also have has Memberium and view post. Should be similar, this one. This shortcode. But in their end, you still need to specify the post ID. In this one, you can specify the post ID like this. But if you're using that within a loop, which we are, like Elementor template as they have explained here, you can remove the post ID part and just use the WPF user can access, which is, in my opinion, much simpler because I can forget about this one. And as you can see, I don't need to call the post ID. I can just use this. And I've inserted the access now template and the lock template for the buttons. So with that, I was able to replicate or mimic this design and functionality that we built with Memberium because we're now using WP Fusion. It still works exactly similar to this one. And in here, I don't need to call for the post ID. So if I'm gonna redo this with Memberium, I'm gonna use the post, like can view post, this one, because it can also do an if else statement like this. But with WP Fusion, the alternative is, or the similar functionality is this one. And I'm gonna attach this link in the description so that you can learn more about what other options you can do with WP Fusion and their shortcode. But with this one, we're using the within the loop. And this is the example that we are using for this. So now, this website is now using WP Fusion shortcode, and I was able to confirm that my listing here still works if the login user does not have access or does not have that high level tag that I required in the post. Then the proper button will show whether that's access now or locked. So I hope this quick example helps. Just want to show the alternative for the mem has any tag shortcode with Memberium to what is the option if you decide to use WP Fusion. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.